At the crossroads where you turned away, I still stand here every day. Watching strangers pass me by, while your memory won't die. I search for pieces of myself that you scattered on this shelf, where you left me, where you left me. I remain here, incomplete. Morning comes but brings no peace. Your voice still echoes in the breeze. Every pathway leads me back to this worn and beaten track. I cover pain with borrowed smiles, walking these forgotten miles, where you left me, where you left me. I remain here, incomplete. Friends all ask me how I'm healing. I just nod and hide my feelings, say I'm learning how to laugh while I'm torn, split in half, where you left me, where you left me, where you left me, where you left me. Seasons change, but I stay still, anchored to this painful hill. Your departure burns like flame, though I never speak your name. I pretend that I moved on, but I'm here from dusk till dawn, where you left me, where you left me. I remain here incomplete, where you left me, where you left me, where you left me. I remain